get ready with me to go to work. I only work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because Fabian, those are days that Fabian doesn't have, most of the time he doesn't have appointments. He had an appointment this morning actually, but he doesn't have any therapies. He doesn't need me. He doesn't have any like after school activities, nothing. So after that, he gets dropped off at my mom's from the bus. My mom picks him up. Jose picks him up. They go have dinner. And I work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In this job, for oh man, this job that I'm in right now, I've been doing for 8 years with 1 year break in between where I ghosted my brand and my company held my job for me because I was going through it. A lot of people, when I do my get ready to go to work with me, they're like, what? You have a job? What do you do? It's more of a career. I'm a makeup artist. I've been doing makeup for almost 20 years. This August will be 20 years in the beauty field, you know? And like, I can't imagine like doing anything else. I love beauty. I love everything that involves beauty other than... Anyways, back to foundation matching. So ask yourself, do you only like wearing gold jewelry? Do you only like wearing silver jewelry? Do you love both? Like you could wear both? And also like when you look at your skin, and I'm not talking about people with rosacea, because a lot of people with rosacea, they're like, oh, my skin pulls pink because I have pink cheeks and a pink nose. No, I'm talking about like all over body, everywhere. Like if you prefer golden jewelry, I can actually wear both golden or silver. So I realized that for a long time I was buying everything warm, like foundation wise, and I'm definitely a neutral. I'm a neutral. Like I'm a true neutral. Like my veins are blue. If your veins turn more blue, like when you look at your veins, if they're like more blue, you tend to be more neutral. You have a little bit of cool and a little bit of warm. If your veins pull more green, you're golden, you're very yellow. If your veins turn more purple, they pull more purple tone, you're more of a pinky undertone, like rose or like beige undertone or cool undertone. Okay, undertone is like the most important thing to know. To know what tones your skin pulls so that you can do that. I have realized after, like I said, after many years of thinking I'm just grabbing a clean brush and I'm just kind of cleaning up around here. After all the years of thinking that I was like a warm undertone, I look back at so many yellow foundations that I was wearing and I'm like, and I'm a makeup artist, so what does that tell you? That tells you, okay, now we're gonna match our foundation. I'm gonna show you guys how to match a foundation, okay? And I'm just going to, I already know what match I am, but I'm gonna show you. I don't have, oh, I guess I might have. I have a cool undertone and a neutral, and then I'll just grab like a random yellow undertone foundation. So I can show you guys the 3 undertones, okay? So let me show you guys how to match your foundation, okay? And you're gonna need like your body. Okay, so here are 3 different foundations, all in the light to medium intensities. And we're gonna grab this one. This is the most yellow foundation that I own, and I'm like, who told you you were a yellow minion, okay? You're instantly gonna see the 3 undertones. Do you see that? Neutral, cool pink, peachy pink, yellow. Grab your undertone and you're going to put a dot right there. You're going to put a dot right next to that, and you're going to put the next one right next to that. Okay? And you're going to rub down using that same finger that you put on, right? Rub down and rub down. My body is instantly pulling more neutral. You see that? Look at the neutral one. It disappeared. The same with your arm. There's the neutral. There's the pink. And there's the golden. Neutral. If I went with this, my body would look this color and my face would look this color. if I went with this, my body would look this color, my face would look that one. That neutral is perfect for me. Gotta do a 360 match. You match your décolleté area, your body area, and it'll match your face. So my shade is F7, which is the neutral from the Makeup Revolution. I'll do like 2.5 pumps. You're gonna load up your brush on one side, and then you're going to swipe it on. Look at that. Look at my body and my face are all the same color. Okay. The sponge is damp. I like to grab a paper towel and just squeeze out any excess product water so that my sponge is just very. Grab a setting spray, whatever setting spray you're using. This is the Catrice one. I really like it. Did you guys notice that I didn't put any foundation under my eyes? I'll tell you why in a minute. So now you're gonna, with that setting spray, you're just gonna start tapping in your foundation. Don't rub, okay? You're pressing into the skin. What happens when you rub is all that primer and everything underneath, like the sunscreen and the skincare and everything, you're moving it around. We wanna really keep it where it is. Looks good. Clé de Peau concealer. Do you notice that I didn't put any let me get it out. Oh, too much out. Did you notice that I didn't put any foundation under my eyes? I'm only putting the concealer under my eyes. Okay, that way, what happens when the number one thing that everybody tells me is like, my eyes look creasy, they look heavy, they look cakey. Well, that's because you put foundation, you put concealer, and then you put powder. Eliminate the foundation, just put concealer. I'm gonna grab this color from SheGlam, and I'm just gonna add it right there, like a little bit, as a brightening color, because I don't want to like look that fair all over. Like, move on to doing the top of my eyes while this concealer starts to get like dry. Why do you want it dry, girl? You want your concealer to start to thicken up. When it starts to dry, it's at the thickest consistency that it is. It's almost like setting itself. All right, we're gonna go right under the eye and we're gonna slowly press. Okay, we're tapping. We're never rubbing, we're just slowly tapping. And we're just grabbing from there and kind of bringing it back. You're using your eye as a palette. You're kind of like grabbing the product and kind of smoothing it over. Okay. Again, it's always into like little taps. Look up at the ceiling so that all those little creases get filled in. And look at that. Look how smooth and like bright we look without putting too much product under there. Again, more does not mean better. It means cakier, right? Or heavier. There we go. And this is the work look. I made like a messy bun, but I have like makeup in my hair. So let me see if I can get it out with like a spoolie. There we go. There we go. And this is the makeup look for work. I'll come back and show you guys the fit. Bye. Okay, amigas, so I am headed to work. I hope you guys all have a great day. This is the fit, a little professional mode, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.